In the silent vastness of space, secrets drift quietly between the stars. For decades, NASA has stood as the gatekeeper to the universe, unlocking mysteries and charting the unknown. But beneath the polished surface of scientific achievement lies a deeper intrigue, hidden files, enigmatic signals, and whispers of encounters that challenge our very perception of reality. Imagine a dimly lit room, deep within NASA's labyrinthine archives. Here, tucked away from public eyes, rests a folder stamped "Classified." Its contents, shielded for years, now begin to surface, hinting at a discovery so extraordinary it may redefine humanity's place in the cosmos. The document speaks of a mission, routine at first glance, yet marked by anomalies that defy explanation. Early morning transmissions reveal a pattern, coded signals, not random noise, emanating from a region of space previously thought empty. The narrative unfolds with the sighting of a craft, unlike any satellite or known technology. Sleek, metallic, and eerily silent, it moves with purpose, its trajectory calculated, its presence undeniable. Astronauts, seasoned by years of spaceflight, report a fleeting glimpse of something unearthly. Their voices, captured in official logs, waver with awe and uncertainty. "It's not from Earth," one whispers. The footage, grainy but unmistakable, shows a formation of lights swirling in geometric patterns, too precise to be natural, too complex for human engineering. As NASA's AI systems analyze the data, strange correlations emerge. The object's movement syncs with mathematical sequences found in ancient star charts, suggesting intelligence and intent. Is it a message, an invitation, or a warning? The agency's brightest minds, fueled by curiosity and a hint of fear, delve deeper, cross-referencing the anomaly with records from other space agencies and historical sightings. The similarities are uncanny and chilling. Within the secret dossier, sketches and photographs paint a vivid picture. Humanoid figures, tall and slender, observed on distant moons and asteroids. Reports describe technology that bends the laws of physics, a shimmering field that distorts light, a silent propulsion system that leaves no trace. NASA's own experts struggle to comprehend, their training steeped in science, yet confronted by phenomena that border on the supernatural. The mystery deepens when AI simulations predict the object's course. It appears to be mapping our solar system, stopping at planetary bodies with histories of unexplained events. Mars, with its enigmatic face-like formation. Europa, the icy moon of Jupiter, with evidence of subterranean oceans. And Earth, the cradle of life, now under silent observation. The implications are staggering. Are we alone? Or have we been watched, studied, and perhaps even guided by an intelligence far beyond our own? As the classified files circulate among select officials, debates rage behind closed doors. Should the public know? Could humanity handle the truth? The atmosphere is thick with tension. Scientists and policymakers torn between wonder and dread. The revelation threatens to upend centuries of understanding, to redraw the boundaries between myth and reality. Yet as dawn breaks over NASA's headquarters, a sense of inevitability sets in. The universe is more mysterious than we ever imagined. The secrets, once hidden, now beckon us to explore, to question, and to dream. Somewhere out there, in the cold depths of space, our story is being written, line by line, signal by signal, discovery by discovery. And so, the legend grows. UFOs, aliens, artificial intelligence, and the infinite cosmos, woven into a tapestry of intrigue that challenges the limits of human imagination. What other secrets lie waiting in the shadows? Only time will tell, as NASA's greatest mystery continues to unfold, pulling us into the unknown, where the answers may be more astonishing than we ever dared to believe.